BigNika, big crowd. You know what I'm saying? I always say, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't even, when mama used to put me out, you don't know.
Look, I ain't worried about all that.
Man, I'm worried about it. You trying to be a millionaire. I ain't trying to be a millionaire. I'm trying to deal with what's going on with me so I can stay focused, stay stronger. And see why I keep falling. Because he's on no good, low down family I got.
I ain't trying to hear none of that. You need a counselor or something.
That's what I need.
You need a therapist. You know what you need? You need a therapist.
If anybody come by my way, I think I just want to kill him. That's how much anger I got in it like that.
I'm angry inside. I've been through stuff, so I'm angry.
And I will kill you.
Good luck.
Look, they fighting on the TV. You need a therapist. I don't want to be your therapist.
Well, you supposed to be.
I need you to make me some money.
Right there. You want to make some money, it's all about money. It ain't all about no money. That was wrong with black folks now. Money. Money can't make you happy. You can't take that shit.
Who said that?
Who said that? Who the fuck said that?
Man, I'm trying to make some money. You ain't trying to make, you trying to make some money off of me, my dumb ass. We gonna purpose this for my new, but it's your money.
Nah, it's our money.
We're
gonna split it.
If we gotta do all the work, if I gotta do all of that.
You ain't gotta do no work.
I'm talking crazy, talking what's going on in my feelings. You think it's a game, it's a joke. Ain't no joke about this shit. This shit is serious.
It's serious.
I got some real issues. And I can't deal
I'm gonna tell you how you can handle that. BigNika.
On BigNika folks. Started. Don't get me started.
She gonna cook for you. She gonna clean for you. She gonna cook for you. Feed you good meals.
Yeah, I bet she is a big ass, big ugly ass. That's a big one, Bob, a big fat.
I was 165. How you doing?
Disrespected, just don't know how to talk, just lame as cut. Who would be attracted to that? You always want to set me up with somebody like that. Why? Man, you better be with goddamn chocolate. Chocolate got bigger than that. At least chocolate kept 14,000 in my pocket. Chocolate kept a lot of money in my pocket. Man, I could have done a damn bitch. You know how much money they want to give me every day, $4,000, $6,000 a month, a week, or something.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
We just mess it up like it ain't nothing because she go get it.
For chocolate. Chocolate got you though.
Oh, Chocolate was a good woman.
She was big and ugly too.
Yeah, but that bitch had $4,000, $5,000. You know what I'm saying?
BigNika gonna cook though. She gonna cook. She got her own
myself.
house. She probably ain't got no money, but she gonna take care of you.
Yeah, but I got my own place. I cook for myself. I don't nobody take care of me. I need her to get a goddamn job, help me pay some of them bills. Why she always talking with them on big old nasty lips and always covering disrespect.
Oh, man, y'all got me fucked up. What fucking thing else on this bitch? All the color is how you hear me? All the color is gone up out this bitch. Let's see, hold on. God damn, bitch.
Nobody want to see that. You sure love BigNika for some reason.
She funny. She good. She'll be good for you.
Did you want to be good for me? Not for me, because she been trying to clown me, and then I would have been to beat that old big bitch to death.
You told Harpo to beat me.
I can't do with her.
You say you would do what?
I've been to beat that big bitch to death.
Get him, whoop that trick. Get him, whoop that trick. Get him, whoop that trick. Woo!
Because she's the type of motherfucker she'll try to clown you. You see how she talk? Fuck this shit. And this is how we don't do it. We don't do it like sit your big wobble ass down.
Started. Don't get me started.
Y'all always want to fix me up with her. Here, look at BigNika. I don't want to see her.
BigNika folks.
She gonna cook you with big juicy crab. She be like big juicy crab. That's how she say it.
Yeah. Big fucking snow crabs. You hear me? Yeah. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Big fucking snow crab.
Yeah, you said big juice crab. Motherfucker crab be smaller than a motherfucker. They my big juice crab.
Fuck going on. Big fucking snow crab. Bring him out of there and release my motherfucker.
Yeah.
Thank you. I got ketchup.
Yeah, I'll give you some.
Excuse me, sir. I asked for extra pickles.
It's right there.
Where? Okay, thank you. I ain't Yeah. Thank you. This is the birthday present I'm talking about.
This your birthday gift?
Yeah, Big Nick. Can't see none of this.
Hey, don't be spitting on my stuff.
Big nigga. I don't want a woman like that. I want somebody gonna be there for me. You know, whether it's good or bad. Yeah, man, she used to like me, and we used to always get, she always used to be messy. She used to piss on herself.
I peeing on myself. Better not.
Kiss?
Piss. What's that? She used to be my next door neighbor. Really?
Y'all was probably messing around. That's what it is.
All right.
Y'all was probably together up in there.
Nah, but she liked me, but I was with
Y'all
other
was
women.
being nasty together.
No, she liked me, but I was being a little female. Like, she used to be all messy. And we used to trick, get in fight.
Y'all was probably
I be
together.
telling, sit your piss ass down.
Sit your pussy ass down.
Come on. Go change your pamper.
Hey, stop lying.
Yeah. I did. And then we get back from him. And then we get in all, I guess in jail. You know, because I never looked at her like that. And I see other females. She just, I don't know, just something about her. Just don't turn me on. Bitch, how big is your ass here? How can you can't feel nothing come dripping down your head?
That lady do not wear pampers no more.
I don't know. Ooh, this is a big juicy bird. Big Nika. Big crab.
Big fucking snow crabs, you hear me?
Damn, Junto! Slow the fuck down, nigga! The eggs too! This nigga is hungry! You is not normal, bruh! Okay, I'ma call you later.
This money has to about me. Big Nika. I don't need your big crab.
You don't need Big Nika, big crab.
Big crab.
Big fucking snow crabs, you hear me? Yeah.
So now, Tito, damn!
Bro, this is the best burger here. Good. This is what I'm talking about. Dad, you so cute, you ain't about nigga soda. Anyway, you go with me, I'll be buying whatever you want.
Stop your fucking lying.
See, I be having a limit on y'all money. But me, I ain't. I don't want. I'm gonna give me a $20 plate. I ain't gonna buy it. That's my aim. I mean, ain't that too much? $10. No, I ain't got that much. Come on, man.
What does cost too much?
Yeah, $20 plate cost too. Oh, the birthday right here. It's right in here. You get this. I put a perm on my leg.
So now, Tito, damn!
This is real nice. Thank you. I know they're gonna cost me an arm and a fortune. I really know. I'm talking about fries. What is that? The napkin.
That's what I need.
That's what I need too. It made me mad.
The kids you was watching?
Yeah. Tell me I ain't got a mind, you no grown up. You ain't got a mind, no grown up.
I'ma whoop your ass. I'ma whoop your ass. I'ma whoop your ass.
And I'm trying to tell you, man, you know, I don't care if you eating or drinking. You know, I'm just cleaning up behind
Tell
you.
them what happened.
But that boy made me so mad when I was trying to talk to him. He gonna run up to bug me. I had his neck all up into the sky. Well, you better stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? Stay in a child's place.
Now, and stay in a child's place.
That's where you need to be at all times. Time frame, respect adults. They don't tell me they ain't gotta respect adults. Who taught you that shit?
You're not my dad! You also want to hear something? Ugly ass fucking...
So now, Tito, damn!
You gonna respect me?
Because you're gonna respect me. Bring it on or let it be. You don't wanna test me. Pay my dues off in these streets. Respect me. Act a fool out in these streets because they gonna respect me. You best to R-E-S-P-E, respect me. R-E-S-P-E, respect me.
Oh, your little ain't gonna be in your ass? I love all my nieces and nephews, but they ain't gonna respect me.
Miss respect me. Call it just like I see.
Sometimes.
Well, some of them, well, he ain't gotta listen to you because his daddy say you ain't gotta listen to you.
You're not my dad!
So you can't be mad at them.
Why you have to be mad?
I can't be mad. But that's okay. If they ain't gonna give me no respect, you keep them. So your kids is not gonna be disrespecting
So if
me.
he slap you in your head, you better not do nothing because...
Who gonna slap me?
You gonna smack me, bitch? In front of my friends? You gonna smack me?
One of the kids.
But look here. They mama gonna have their bed, baby, they better have their food ready.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I don't care. And be ready for your dad and your mama too.
Wanna fight about it?
You gotta learn how to follow rules and regulations. If that's the case, you feel like you gonna whoop me. What? I ain't had my little child whoop me.
Fuck off!
I'll whoop your ass.
My mama can whoop you.
Your mama gonna whoop me. I'm lying your mama do because she's my niece.
My mama will whoop you, I ain't gonna lie.
I will break your mama's neck.
That Chinese lady you was with, she knocked you out.
Chinese! Me no Chinese, me Japanese! Don't like that!
Oh, that bitch is jealous. Oh man, I don't know what I did to her. Now she used to bring me her money every day. She was a Philippines, you know what I'm saying? She knocked me out. And she like the more I hear, it like the more I hear her, it like the more that bitch got stronger and stronger.
Oh, try me, bitch.
I told you that bitch crazy.
I'm like, God damn. Bitch walking around blood on her 5 days looking for me. How you gonna look for me 5 days with blood on you? I called Nicole money. And it was Tony's little daughter.
Coco.
Yeah. They come look for her. That hoe was red.
Oh, Shorty! Cindy! There's a monster chasing me! What are we gonna do?
I got it.
She didn't give a damn. She had blood all over. But I'm saying that was a good woman. That was a good woman. She was just jealous. And it's kind of my fault because I should have treated her better than I should have, for real. Because that was a good woman. So now I'm going through this spirit now with these old nothing ass woman. Don't want nothing but use you for your money. So, but I'm learning.
I ain't gonna lie, you be going down bad. All these women.
I'm doing bad.
They steal your money. They pimping you.
Yeah, they pimping me. Bitch, I'm working on. I'm getting home. Them days over with. You know, I'm start pimping out. You ain't got no job, don't fuck with me. You ain't got nothing to bring to the table, don't fuck with me. You know, I missed that. So I can do bad all by myself. It's a big juicy bird. Pimping days is over with. 2020. That's why I'm gonna give me a mess. They're not treated better than a black woman. A black woman ain't always out. They ain't always out. Give me something sometimes. I'm starting out now. I ain't doing nothing for you. I see what you gonna do for me. We ain't going no more expensive restaurant. We gonna lay down since Burger King. And get you one small burger, one small drink, a small fry. Until I get to know you better. Ain't no more $30-$40 plate. No.
This some balls. I go look for some bull.
I had some booty eating 8 hours later.
Well, I paid for it.
We ain't got no paper towel. You know what I'm saying? I always trying to record somebody. All the time. Excuse me? Can I have some napkins? Well, if she say that's not her job, I'm gonna go back and slap. Oh, no, she didn't. Did she do that?
Calm down.
That's what I'm talking about. I would say, wait a minute. Excuse me? Maybe they is.
They're not worried about you.
Can I have some napkins, please? Ooh, I'm full. You full? Damn.
You better eat all that food.
I'm full.
No.
All that bread. I'm full, down.
Hey, eat the rest of that food.
Oh, come on. Go straight to the head.
Alright, hurry up.
I'm through.
Eat the rest of that. So what? Eat the bread.
I'm not.
Hey, eat that bread. It costs. Hey, eat the fries.
What's wrong?
Eat the fries. Eat them.
No. No.
I don't know how you gonna be walking out here. I ain't gonna swipe my card to you, man. Eat them fries.
Okay, you don't got to swipe it. See, we ain't ate. That's different. Who get paid? I'm full. Thank you.
Someone probably wondering, oh yeah, let's go.
It's the best present. A meal that I like it. I like to say thank you. I go home now, smoke a cigarette, eat my pecan pie. Get a little red, you know. Start at 20. Hold on.